This review is for a camping cart, general purpose for moving things around. If you have travelled on the continent, you'll have seen that our Dutch friends use these all the time. So we'll take this off. Squash it out, push it down, and this, which was round the outside, makes for the base. And it's quite sturdy. If you swap it round, there's a place there that you can put longer things in, say a beach windbreak or something, and there's a small bag there for putting a few extra things in. It's got lots of space. It says it'll hold 150 pounds, so call that, what, 60 kilos? So that will take a child as well. You often see children in them. So here's the handle. Everything seems solidly made, except for collapsing it up and down. There's no assembly required. You didn't have to attach the wheels or anything. So yeah, it's a super item. It looks good, very practical. I'll give this 5 stars.